Hi guys, welcome to Desperate Enthusiasts of Software Testing for Web Automation Testing with Python. So let me guess, is it that you spend a large portion of your time testing web UI manually? Or is it that you want to switch your manual testing career to automation testing? Or is it that you just want to explore the areas of automation testing? Well, be it any reason, you are at the right place. But before that, I have one more question. Why Selenium with Python? First of all, it's easy to learn and use. Even though we do not have any prior knowledge of any programming language before, or we haven't used any programming language before, still we'll be able to get through this. It's very powerful. Python comes up with standard libraries that will help us solve a lot of complex problems. You have to write a less number of lines of code as compared to some other programming language for the things that you want to do. So without wasting any more time, let's jumpstart to the tutorial. So the areas we'll be covering here would be setting up the environment. This will include installation of Python, Selenium, setting up the IDE. In our case, we'll be using PyCharm, but you can use any IDE that you like, for example, Eclipse or Visual Studio. Post this, we'll be heading on to basics of Python. So we'll be talking about strings, lists, tuples, sets, integers, if-else statements, iterations, loops, and after this, we'll be talking a little bit about OOPS concepts and how they are implemented in Python. Post this, we'll be starting with basics of Selenium, where we'll be talking about web elements, locators, how to navigate between pages, user interactions, and much more. Also, there will be some small project and some small tasks that we'll be performing in between just to progress our learning, and this will help us enhance the learning curve that we are going to get through during this course of tutorial. With this, we'll be starting up with our next video that would be setting up environment, and hope to see you guys over there. Also, please subscribe to this channel to get instant notifications as soon as new video arrives. Happy learning guys, all the best.